In previous lesson, we have a problem. This text, we cannot see it after we remove because this notch and the status bar are hiding it. So we want to create a safe zone for our components and UI, not to be behind this notch because we want our users can see them. So now let's learn our first and one of the easiest components in React Native and called SafeAreaView. To use any component, as I have mentioned before, to use any component, you just need to import it. So let's add a comma and add SafeAreaView. This is the component that's responsible to create a safe zone to our UI. So let's replace our view with SafeAreaView and press save. When we press save, see our text now is visible and it's not behind our status bar and not behind our notch. Now it's in a safe and visible place. If you wonder how can you change two words together, you just need to hide one of them and press Command and D if you use Mac. This means that's a multi-cursor editing. You can, when you have two or more words with the same name, just highlight one of them and just type Command and D. Once you have now can change in two places if you press Command and D. Also, now you can change in three places. Look, you can type whatever you want. In Mac, Command and D. In Windows, I think Control and D. Okay? So now that was our first and easiest component, SafeAreaView. Let's talk in next lesson about more components.